Keeping produce fresh can be a challenge. 1/3 of food produced globally is wasted every year. That's 1.3 billion tonnes of food that's never eaten. This packaging doesn't allow for the correct airflow, which leads to faster spoiling. Sistema Freshworks Produce Saver offers a revolutionary storage option to keep your produce fresher longer. Its unique design naturally regulates the flow of oxygen and carbon dioxide in and out of the container, creating the optimal environment for your fresh produce. Plus, the FreshVent technology will last the lifetime of the container, so you don't have to worry about replacing filters. Freshworks containers can safely go into the dishwasher and are Bpa and Phthalate free. Sistema Freshworks containers are available in 4 sizes. Small, great for blueberries and small vegetables. Medium, perfect for strawberries and broccoli. Freshworks 1.9 litre is ideal for asparagus, carrots and green beans. And the large 2.6 litre is perfect for tomatoes, leafy greens and more. Experience fresher produce all year round with Sistema Freshworks.